What's up out there, all you fellow YouTubers? J Speed here, just checking in. ZR600, getting ready to put it back together. Acquired the parts. Factory routing right here of this throttle cable. It's the original routing, original cable. Lasted about 3,200 miles, but down here by the oil pump, we know this now, so we're rebuilding. Cable's frayed right there, see? Burned up a right piston. Hopefully it's not the seal. So what I'm going to do is make sure this is routed identical to the factory routing, even though we're putting a riser on here and everything else. And then basically wanted to show you the most important thing. There's a slot right here in the bottom of this where your cable will slide up and in. But if you're having trouble getting your old cable out, it's probably because of one of the most, well, there's a couple most important things when it comes to throttles on Arctic Cats, ZR600s. These two little plastic pieces right here are to alert your snowmobile if your cable should break, so it will cut out the ignition and it won't kill you or hurt you. However, when reassembling, right there on that cable is a tiny little clip that's got to go back on there for this all to work properly. J Speed, thanks for looking. If your Arctic Cat ZR600 is cutting out when you go to accelerate, it's probably either this switch, most not likely this switch is going to go bad, it's usually always good, or it's going to be these little white plastic inserts, or maybe somebody didn't put the little clip right there when they put the new throttle cable in. J Speed, thanks for looking. Goes right on here. Peace out. If you're having trouble getting your cable out, you got to take that clip off before you can get it out. Thanks for looking. Peace.